Hello students, welcome to the next lecture of the subject of electric circuits. In last lecture we have discussed one numerical on source transformation and the basic concept of source transformation. Now in today's lecture we are going to see another numerical on source transformation. See, you can see a circuit here. Replace circuit between A and B with the voltage source in series with single resistor. Now the circuit given I will show to you. I will put the camera nearer to it. See, like this type of circuit is given to you and you have to find out the voltage in series with the single resistor. Then how to find out? First of all, we will convert the given circuit into a simple circuit so that it is easier for us okay. This is a simple form of circuit of above circuit. This is 3 ampere source, this is 30 ohm resistor, 50 ohm resistance, this is 5 ohm resistance and this is 20 volt voltage source, this is plus minus and here 6 ohm resistance. Now it is easy to transform the given circuit given into voltage in series with a single resistor using source transformation. So first of all, to convert it into the voltage source, I will convert the given circuit this rounded part into current source, because voltage in parallel cannot be calculated in the source transformation and hence we are calculating the current source here, and then parallelly we can add all the currents and we can find out the parallel combination of the circuit. So firstly I will solve this parallel combination because it will be easier for me to find out the current. So this is in first step I have solved the parallel combination of this 50 ohm and 30 ohm resistance, and hence a single resistor will be there. Okay, simplified circuit. So the parallel combination of 30 parallel 60, 30 into 60 divided by 30 plus 60. So RT is equals to 30 into 60, 180, 90, that is 2 ohm. 6 3s are 18 and this is, so it is 180. Sorry, this should be 1800. 6 3s are 18 and 2 zeros, that is 1800. So your ohm is 20 ohm. Ohm is 20 ohm. So this is 3 ampere, 20 ohm, 5 volt, 20 volt, and then this is 6 ohm. Now convert this 5 volt 5 ampere, sorry, 5 ohm 20 volt supply into current source. So transforming 5 ampere and 20 volt into current source. So I is equals to V by R. This will be 4 ampere. Hence this part will be converted as now see the direction, this is minus plus, so current will also flow from minus to plus in this direction. A resistance in parallel, the value of resistance will not change, it will remain as a 5 ohm, and to this again a parallel resistance of 6 ohm is connected. Okay. So this current source will be of 4 ampere, this is 20 ohm, this is 3 ampere. So we will solve the parallel combination of these two resistors and then we will directly add this 3 ampere and 4 ampere current to get a 7 ampere current source. Hence 5 parallel 6 we are going to see, that is RT is equals to 5 into 6 divided by 5 plus 6, 5 6 are 30 divided by 5 plus 6 is 11. Now divide the circuit, divide the value. Now after dividing 30 by 11 you will get 2.72 ohm. Now keep this circuit, the above circuit is rearranged in this format: 3 ampere, 20 ohm, 4 ampere, and parallel combination of this 5 and 6 is 2.72. Then I had to add these two current sources, 3 ampere and 4 ampere, and the parallel combination of these two is we have to solve. So 20 parallel 2.72 we are solving here. So solve the parallel combination of this 20 into 2.72 divided by 20 plus 2.72. Okay. Hence now the parallel combination 20 into 2.72 is 54.4 and 20 plus 2.72 is 22.72. Hence the division becomes 2.39 ohm. I will take approximately equal to 2.4 ohm. Okay. So this circuit becomes now have we done it? Have we solved the circuit? No, our aim is not fulfilled. What is the aim? We have to reduce it to voltage source in series with the single resistor. And what we have find out? We have find out here is the in current source. Then again transforming the given circuit into voltage source, multiply 7 into 2.4. So you will get the value of voltage source and a resistor in series. The value of this is 2.4 ohm. And what will be the voltage source? Okay, your voltage source multiplying 7 ampere current with 2.4, will get 16.68 volt. This will be your voltage source, and hence this is your final answer. This is your final answer. I hope you have understood this problem. If not, again solve this problem and come to the answer line in this format. See here another numerical we are going to see is to find the power delivered by the 50 volt source in the circuit, and this is the circuit as like similar to the first one. Now we have to find out one thing, that is power delivered by the given circuit. Power delivered we have to find out. So first of all we have to transform the given circuit by using voltage and source transformation, and then we can find out the power delivered to it. So first of all convert the given circuit into similar format as like first one. So this is a simple circuit of this circuit, simple arrangement. Now we have to perform the source transformation. So what we will do? First of all I will convert the given voltage, so this one, into a current source. Then transforming 10 volt and 3 ohm into equivalent current source and while solving this problem keep in mind step by step you have to go. Don't go to solve the parallel part because it may confuse you that what value where we have to take it. कुठली व्हॅल्यू कुठं घ्यायची हे कन्फ्यूज करेल, म्हणून आपण पॅरलली दोन सोर्स कधी सोडवायला जायचे नाहीत. हा एक सोर्स घ्या, मग नंतर हा सोर्स घ्या आणि मग तुम्हाला पॉवर डिलिव्हर फाइंड आउट करता येईल. So now this current source, and now this is resistor of 3 ohm. Now to find out the current source, what we will do, I is equals to V by R. So 10 by 3, it becomes 3.33 ampere. So this current source is of 3.33 ampere. Now transform this voltage source into current source. Or keep this voltage source as it is and solve this parallel combination of this and add this. Why I will tell you. Okay, don't transform this voltage source, keep as it is. We will solve this part. This dotted part we will solve down. How I will tell you and why. First of all, solve the parallel combination of 2 parallel 3. So RT is equals to 2 into 3 divided by 2 plus 3, 6 by 5. So it is 1.2 ohm. 1.2 ohm. And 10 plus 3.33 is 13.33. And current source I is equals to 10 plus 3.33 is equals to 13.33 ampere. I will keep the voltage source as it is. Okay, this is 50 volt, 5 ampere, 1.2 ampere and 13.33. Sorry, this is 1 meter. Okay, so here I have made a correction that actually that was not a voltage source, it is a current source. So the circuit is arranged like this: 13.33 ampere and 1.2 ohm resistance. Now transform this current source parallel with the resistance into voltage source. Transforming 13.33 ampere and 1.2 ohm into voltage source, V is equals to IR. 13.33 into 1.2. Solve the multiplication. So multiplication of this is 15.99, that is approximately equal to 16 volt. Okay, hence this given circuit is transformed as this is 16 volt, 1.2 ohm, 50 volt and 5 ohm. Now we have to find out the power delivered, and to find out the power delivered we need to find out the current. If we know the current flowing through the circuit, then I can write down V into I is equals to P. So I have to find out this current here. So to find out the current, you have to apply here the KVL. See, keep in mind, KVL is used to find out the current in the circuit and KCL is used to find out the voltage in the circuit. Okay, so using this KVL we will find out the current I, and then we can solve the power delivered by the source. 50 volt, we have to find out the power delivered by the 50 volt source network. So we have to find out the current flowing through 50 volt. So I will give a direction so that I can understand. This will be the direction, starting from here, then going like this, then coming to like this, and again flowing like this. Hence, applying KVL to the above circuit, so I can write down, so the voltage source is written as 50 plus 50 because it is traveling from minus to plus, so it is 50. Now the current direction through resistance, this is plus, this is minus, so direction is opposite to the source, it becomes minus 5, and current flowing through this 5 ohm resistance I will write as 5I. Again coming to this one, like this, so minus 1.2I, and again plus 2 minus, and again plus 2 minus, it is coming as minus 16 is equals to 0. Now solve this equation, it is easy to solve. Subtract the real term 50 minus 16 and add this negation term, or I will take this I term to the right hand side. Therefore 50 minus 16 is equals to 5I plus 1.2I. So this becomes 50 minus 16. It becomes 34 is equals to 5 plus 1.2I is 6.2I. Correct? Addition of this term is 6.2I. So therefore I is equals to 34 divided by 6.2. I is equals to 34 divided by 6.2. So you will get the current as 5.48 ampere. I will take it approximately equal to 5.5 ampere. Hence, power delivered is equals to by 50 volt source. Power delivered by 50 volt source is equals to 50 into 5.5 ampere. So 50 into 5.5 ampere will equal to 275 watt, and this is your power delivered by the 50 volt source. Understood? Okay, this is a homework problem to you. Reduce the circuit into single current source by using source transformation, and this is the circuit. This is the circuit and this is the problem you have to solve, and by solving it, please show me your answer. Send me the answer of this question on the WhatsApp so that I am eligible to check the answer of this question. So it is a homework for you. Try to solve it at home. I will tell the solution to you in next lecture. Till then, thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on WhatsApp regarding the clarity of any problem. Okay, thank you.